Ever wonder who makes this possible? It all starts with integrated machining and engineering.
I've taken a lot out of this program. It's really taught me a lot about the trade, and it's taught me a lot about responsibility too.
I'm more consistent with my work, and I can focus on school now too, because I look forward to going to school.
We hire all of our operators and tool pathers directly out of high school.
The teachers over at Clay definitely helped prepare us well for the real world.
Everything starts here. Everything that's been made has a machinist or engineer touch it. We take ideas and create things. We will prepare you for your future. Integrated machining and engineering will help shape you into a career. All students have the opportunity for job placement. These are real jobs, high-paying jobs with benefits. Best of all, most employers will pay tuition for continuing education in the machining and engineering related fields.
3-axis CNC machine. What we could do in here is we could write a program either by line, which is G&M code, or we could take and write it in a CAM version and dump it in the machine. So choose the font we want, and the machine will drag it into the software there, and then this machine will come in there and it'll cut it out.
At Clay High School, we are project-based. Junior and senior year, they're 3-period blocks, with most of that time being in the shop. In the classroom, we teach basic through advanced blueprint reading, with general machining through advanced computerized numerical control. We service the medical field, automotive, plastic, glass, and the list goes on and on.
My name is Mark Newman. I'm one of the owners at Maumee Pattern. Have been the Vice President of Manufacturing here for 10 years. We have several departments. We have the CNC machine operators and the tool pathing department, as well as CAD design, which work in various design softwares. The Clay High machine trade students that we hire directly out of high school have a good work ethic. They're enthusiastic towards the machine trades. They are the type of people that we found can be long-term employees at Maumee Pattern.
Clay High School has articulation agreements with Terra Technical College and Owens Community College. Successful completion of the program provides the graduate with the opportunity to earn college credit for work that has been done at Clay High School.
Yeah, I'm standing here with a couple of my old students. This is Glenn Berger. He graduated in '96. I sent him here to Riverside, and he's been here ever since. He's the plant manager now. And Taylor Stable, he's from last year's class.
Some of the career opportunities that integrated machining and engineering offer are biomedical engineer, mechanical engineer, machinist, tool and die maker, mold maker, pattern maker, CNC operator, inspector, quality control, and sales. Hope you've enjoyed the presentation, and if you have any questions, please stop down and see me. We've been very successful with our job placement, and the students who come through here do very well. Thank you for coming down.